This is a tutorial on how to install a printer driver onto your computer. Your first step is going to be left-clicking on the Start menu. We are then going to be typing in the Run bar, which states Search Programs and Files. Our first area that we're going to type is //, and then it's going to be your building abbreviation. So for example, Bristol will be BR, Edgar Road would be ER, Avery would be AV. After you type the abbreviation for your building, you're going to type a /PDC, and then you can click Enter. This is going to open up all of the printers and copiers for that building. Locate the printer you wish to utilize, for example, if it's the main copier for the building, and then you're going to double-click. Once you double-click, it's going to connect and install that driver to your computer. Our next step then will be to change some of the printer preferences. So under this option, we're going to click Printer and click Printer Preferences. This is going to open up a whole new section that has a lot of tabs. We're really only going to be looking at one tab today, and that's the Basic category. So left-click Basic, and then we're going to go to the right-hand side where you'll see Output Method. We're going to left-click, and we're going to go down to where it says Save in User Box. Now, once we're here, there's really two areas that you can fill in, file name and user box number. You do not need to fill in file name, but user box number is required. You can go to your building level secretary and she's going to give you that information. You'll type it straight in there and then you'll click OK. The second step is going to be going to Authentication Account Track. You're going to left click, and once again, you do not have to put your account name in, but you will be putting in that same password that your secretary gave you. Then you'll click OK, and you will click Apply, and then OK. And this will set up that printer or copier on your computer with the correct settings. To set up that printer as your default or that copier as your default, you're going to then left click on the Start menu. And you're going to go up to where it says Devices and Printers, and you can left click. This will open up all of the devices and printers that are connected with your computer. You could locate then the copier or printer that you would like your default to be. Right click it, and you're going to then set it as default printer, and that will then become your default printer.